Hi guys, Dan Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a cherry on top haul. I did place an order for their the Prima collections. They do a 20% off on pre-orders, and you can't really get these kind of collections on sale. So I did take advantage of it, but there's a caveat. I don't know why they take forever to receive the products, and they will not ship unless all of the pieces you ordered are in the warehouse. So I am still waiting for 2 molds. I ended up breaking up the order because I was so eager to get and play with the collections. So I am still waiting on the 31 mold and the Christmas sparkle. So I love to make my resin pieces with Prima molds. So anyways, let's get started on the haul today, and I am super excited. Now, for a Pastelloween lover, this Prima 31 collection is given the vibes. It has the traditional pinks, not the traditional, but the traditional orange, and then the touch of pinks in it really just gives this Pastelloween lover a warm place in my heart, because pastels are so easy to work with, in my opinion, and you have all those pieces to work all year round. So I did get the 8x8. I love using these for embellishments. I got the 2 ephemera pieces. Again, I did have a gripe about why they split it up into 2 versus 1 big mega pack, but I get that it's a business. So again, here are all the pieces. And this is the second one. Again, super fun. I love the vintage images. The cat is so funny. I love her. I did get the chipboard stickers, and I will likely take this apart and remove the sticky backs. Just kind of the easier way for me to kind of know what I have. Super pretty. The pinks really just give me a life. I did get 2 packs of the puffy because you can never go wrong with puffy stickers. And I just wanted to show you the gold accent. Now I have to have the 12x12 always, because this is where all of the foiling is, and there's no foiling in the 6x6 or the 8x8. So I need the 12x12 for larger projects, and the gold foiling in this does really just do it justice. It just makes it so much fun and fancier. You get all of the pretty shine in it. And we love our shine. Again, just the accents of that gold foiling in it really just brings the page to life. Such a fun page. And this one here. And again, the splatters in this collection, I'm just in love. Here you go. Here's this cut apart. Such a fun collection. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to play. And I also did get the new Christmas Sparkle collection. And I have his previous collection, Santa Baby, Sugar Cookie, and I didn't go too crazy. I mean, I still picked up the paper pads. But I love the touch of blues in this collection. Again, he's really done such a fabulous job. I love it so much. I'm not crazy about the angels, but I get that this is a vintage kind of vibe. There's so many angels though. So I get it. I totally get it. And I will work around it or work with it to the best of my abilities. And then I did get the chipboard stickers. Again, I love, even in the Christmas tree, the touch of blue. The blue just gives me so much life with this collection. It has that winter wonderland feel, and he used silver foiling, which I love because we don't get to play with silver often. It's always gold. Here are the puffy stickers. And I only just got 1 pack. I do have the previous collection, so I want to use and mix and incorporate both collections. I have the ephemera pieces. I'm just going to open. I think there was another ephemera piece, but again, I'm trying to be a little bit mindful of the previous collections that I have and just kind of incorporate with what I have. Here is this angel. The Santa is so sweet. His puffy cheeks, and they are so golden. I love it. His use of florals is always such a beautiful touch with the pink and white peppermints. There's all these little pieces in it. And again, the silver foiling is really giving me life with this collection. Here is this little cutie Santa. All the sparkles. Santa with the blue hat. This one here. It's like vintage paper. I love the little heart with the pink candles. More florals because that's just what Frank does. And you got like pink and blue hearts. This angel, so pretty. The Santa, this pink nutcracker is so fantastic. I love him so much. Here is the gorgeous Christmas tree. I love this so much. You have this little sweet Christmas sentiment. And this angel. I'm just gonna put this in my little pouch that I will label. And I just usually just stick this all in so I can kind of see the ephemera pieces in the back, and then I just keep the loose pieces in. And I buy these CD cases from Amazon, and I just stick a Dollar Tree Velcro dot to keep it all together. And this is what how it works, like just like this. See, just everything's closed. I can see the ephemera pieces on the back. I'll take a label and just put the collection name on top. And let's go over the papers, because this is where the beautiful silver foiling comes into play. And look, you guys, I'm so excited for the silver foiling. I'm totally kind of loving this silver, and the sparkle of the silver is really just a nice touch that I really haven't seen in a while. I never get to play with my silver foil papers. So with this collection, I really feel like I can totally do that. And I bought the new Nuvo Silver Smoke Mist, I think that's what it's called. So that will be a nice touch to play with. Again, such a beautiful collection, and it's just magical. His use of pinks and just the blues just gives me the feels. That Christmas tree is darling. Here's another cut apart sheet. And I'm just gonna show you the back side. Here's a Christmas snowflake. Sorry. Here's a blue and white polka dot. Here is a vintage sheet cut apart. Here is a vintage paper. Oh my God, this is so sweet. Kind of reminds me of a Santa baby page, but it has the Santa, and he's sitting on pink poinsettias and some flowers and some pink and white peppermint. You have this blue and white deer page. This is my favorite page. I love the pink nutcrackers, the peppermints, just yes. And you have this beautiful blue and pink stripes with the vintage paper in the back. And that is it for this haul today. I will leave a link if you are interested. And once I do get my mold, I will put them together and show you. You can still go onto the website and do the pre-buys. If you want the 20% off, I would totally take advantage of it. If you are interested in the mold, you should, pre-buy it, and it'll be in soon. It said early August, which we already kind of are in, and I hope to have that order in very shortly. So you don't want to miss that little sale. I think it's kind of nice to get something discounted when you can. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.